Hi everyone, so for this vlog we're going to add another feature, which is the single player mode. So we're going to implement an AI player. So now in our project structure, the project structure here is unchanged. So the only thing that we're going to change are the files that we already have inside the SRC folder. Now for the C configuration, we didn't do anything, or we haven't changed anything in this configuration. Now inside the paddle.h file or paddle header file, so here in line 21, we add a function prototype for our AI. So that function prototype is called a paddle underscore AI underscore moved function. Now inside the paddle.c file, so we have our paddle underscore init function. We have also our paddle underscore move function. Now in line 23 up to 47, we're going to implement, or we're going to add our function for the paddle AI moved. Now inside the game.h file or the game.header file, we're going to add something inside the struct in-game struct. So we're going to add a single player mode, which is the S single player. So it is a boolean type. In this function, we're going to initialize our single player. Now in line 88 up to 104, we have our game underscore update function. So we're going to implement our AI paddle logic here. So in line 92 up to 95, this is our paddle logic or AI paddle logic. If you wanted to adjust the difficulty of our AI, you can lower the speed of the AI, or if you wanted more difficulty, you can bump up the value of the AI speed. So you wanted to, if the speed or if you wanted the AI more sluggish or more faster or slower, you can adjust the value of the AI speed. Now inside the main.c file, so we're going to enable the single player. So here we have a single player variable, and it has a true or a boolean type. So we have a value of true, and then we add it in our initialization for our game function or game underscore init function. And now we're going to compile or build our project, and then we're going to execute that file generated by the CMake inside the bin folder. And that's it. We're able to play with AI, or we have a simple implementation of our AI, so we can play with a computer. So next is we're going to implement the sound, or we're going to add a sound effect of bouncing of the ball, and the score, and also the background music. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.